We all know good things come to those who wait, but can we say the same for the Steam Deck OLED? Well, that is what we will be exploring today. We will compare how this supposedly new and improved Steam Deck model goes up against its previous iteration. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. The Steam Deck OLED is pushing boundaries on battery life, advertising an impressive gaming duration of 3 to 12 hours, a significant improvement from the previous 2 to 8 hours. Even if you decide to go all out and burn through it in less than 3 hours, there's a reassuring feeling about how much power is still in the tank. Let's put it in perspective. Back in 2022, the original Steam Deck managed just under 2 hours of gameplay at 60 frames per second with a demanding game control. Fast forward to this past week with the Steam Deck OLED, and it effortlessly handled an impressive 2 hours and 11 minutes of gameplay up to 80 frames per second. That's the kind of battery life upgrade that truly makes a difference. Display. Diving into the realm of displays, the name itself gives it away. The original Steam Deck versus the shiny new Steam Deck OLED. What sets them apart? Well, it's all about the screen. The original packs a 7-inch LCD panel, topping out at a 60Hz refresh rate. Now let's talk about the upgraded version with its slightly larger 7.4-inch OLED screen boasting a slick 90Hz refresh rate. Now for those not deep into display tech, here's the lowdown. OLEDs are the superheroes of screens right now. They bring colors to life in a way that's hard to match, making images pop with vibrant hues and sharp details, no resolution boost needed. The magic ingredient? True black. When OLED pixels go black, they really go black, not some wishy-washy gray. Why does this matter for gaming? It's a game changer, especially in darker scenes, where colors and details shine. Remember the Switch OLED from 2021? The visuals didn't get a resolution facelift, but the slightly bigger screen made gaming experiences way more immersive. Brace yourselves because the Steam Deck OLED is about to pull off the same magic trick. No resolution boost, but visuals that'll make you go wow. Storage. When it comes to gaming handhelds, storage is key. The original Steam Deck LCD offers 3 options: a budget-friendly 64 gigs for $349, a mid-tier 256 gigs for $399, and a 512 gigs for $449 during Valve's discount period. Now the spotlight's on the new Steam Deck OLED with higher storage choices, but a steeper price tag: 512 gigs for $549 or 1 TB for $649. If you're a hardcore gamer, the 1 TB might be worth the splurge, but the 512 gig is a wallet-friendly option. Don't forget both models can amp up storage with a micro SD card. For the adventurous DIYers, some LCD users are even swapping in third-party SSDs like the WD Black SN770M. A tech ninja move if you're up for it. Just remember, DIY surgery is only for the brave. Hardware. Just like the Nintendo Switch OLED stepping up from the OG Switch, the Steam Deck OLED isn't pulling a major internals overhaul compared to the Steam Deck LCD. Picture this. The AMD APU gets a slight facelift at 6 nanometers, but performance-wise, it's a mirror image. The battery, already in the spotlight, is the real MVP here. Now for the techie nitty-gritty. The Steam Deck LCD rolls with Bluetooth 5.0 Wi-Fi, strutting its stuff at 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, and RAM cruising at 5,500 megatransfers per second. Shift gears to the Steam Deck OLED, and it's got a Bluetooth 5.3 party going on, Wi-Fi flaunting a fancy 6E chip, and RAM clocking in at a slightly peppier 6,400 megatransfers per second. Hold your horses though, if you're craving a Steam Deck with a souped-up heart, a Steam Deck 2 just got the green light. The deets are still in the shadows, but it's a teaser for the tech dreams to come. Just buckle up, the release might be a year or 2 down the road. Weight and dimensions. When it comes to the Steam Deck OLED, the bigger display might give off the vibe of a bulkier gadget. But surprise, surprise, it's a sleek match with the original Steam Deck LCD. Both clock in at roughly 11.7 by 4.6 by 1.9 inches. The magic trick. The OLED display likely flaunts a slimmer bezel compared to its LCD counterpart. But here's the sweet bonus. Even with a larger display, the new Steam Deck OLED is shedding some weight, tipping the scales at around 1.47 pounds, a tad lighter than the OG Steam Deck LCD's 1.41 pounds. What does this mean for your gaming marathons? Less strain on those hands, making those epic sessions a little more comfortable. Wrapping up the tech showdown, the Steam Deck OLED emerges as the champion, especially if you're after the primo experience. Go all in with the 1 TB SSD option for the ultimate gaming brilliance on that dazzling OLED display. The added perk, more gaming on the go before needing a recharge, ticking off the convenience box. Now for the budget warriors, fear not, the OG Steam Deck LCD is a solid choice too. Maybe not as flashy and with a shorter battery life, but it's still your ticket to diving into those Steam Deck verified games without breaking the bank. And there you have it, folks. That's a wrap on today's video. Drop a comment letting us know which device you're eyeing. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.